Hello guys, this is Emmanuel. In this video we're gonna try to make some function from jQuery, and actually we're gonna just try to make our library. So let's start with that. For the moment I have here my library. I have here my JS file and PHP file. In our PHP file we're gonna try to put HTML. Okay, this is so simple, and here we come and then we have our JS, and then come here we have our rows, have mostly in our rows. You can check out also that here I don't have any link from jQuery. I gotta use here two tags called script. The first script for our jQuery, our library rather, and my library JS, and the last one will be to our script. Okay. Type our script over here, up there, don't worry. Yeah, and the first function that we're gonna do like in jQuery is this function. This function is used just to call our HTML element. So for that we can call this const and this that. Okay, we are to make a function here. Check it out. Check it out. Okay, to check just the element, and we put here two variables for the moment. This null, and that element will be equal also no for the moment. Well, we gotta check if our CSS selector is ID or class or tag name. For that is so simple. Condition and the CSS selector for all. Okay, index of this sign. This sign is used to call an ID. So whatever CSS selector they contain this sign means that it is ID. Okay. So it is ID if it is okay. If it is here, so our el will be equal document caret selector CSS selector. Good. Let us check out if we have some mistake. No mistake for the moment. Okay. If not, we put that document caret selector all. Okay, don't forget that all, not like. Okay, and our function gotta return some results, and the result that we gotta return will be equal to the element. Okay, so now we already have something that we can test. You can hear me here and try to get our title. Okay, this is some tutorial from Manuel. We're gonna try to get this title. Use our code. We put just here a ID for the moment, and okay, we're gonna just show that on our console log. Okay, we go to console log and call that title, and we're gonna get the inner HTML of these elements. Refresh the browser and boom, we have some mixed type. Say that this as selector is not defined. Right. Title right. Okay, we write right. Okay, good. So we're gonna check here our code. Okay. What does say? We check here our selector. It's good. Okay. Yeah, the problem is that we don't put here our CSS selector. It's really simple. Okay, and then we refresh the browser. Boom, we can find that our text is also here. Mean that for the function work right. Now the next step is create another function. You're gonna create a function like a click, but we will call that C instead of a click. Then we will create a function to hide, like in jquery, and a function to show, like a jquery. So let's start with the click function. So once these return an object, so you gotta start here with object prototype, and the name of our function that is C function. Okay, and C, you're gonna get the line. We can put a line or not, but I will not put that. Let's just put that like that. This line. Okay, measure the 0. So what happens if this line is measured 0? Something will happen. And here, something also will happen. And so if so, we go that function on click. Function, and then our callback function. We gotta put here I remember like a callback. So here, call our callback function. Boom. Sounds real sample for the moment. We're gonna create a loop with I and I major equal minor equal this length. The length 1. So it plus boom. Good. Okay, so everything is good for the moment. Nothing here is difficult to understand. I think that you understand what I'm doing here. Okay, up, tack, and bang. We also return our call, execute our callback function. Boom. Now we're gonna try here, and we're gonna put it here. We're gonna call that by his tag name because we already put our script correctly. And then when I click, C for click. What happens if I click? So it happens something like a alert. Hi. Oh, hey, hi. Okay, no problem. Let us start. I click here, that code, and boom, does a work. Does a work because maybe there is some mix-up. Let us check our mix-up. Okay, I try to check. Okay, don't show the mix-up of that. I don't know why, but let's start with the ID. Just for the moment. Title. Okay, it's right good. If I click right good, but now is the moment to check it out why this doesn't work if I call my function. That is online. Okay, also we can So we don't need this value really. This value we don't need it here. Don't need to be called. Right. Okay. To correct that. Dun 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 dun. Okay, what happened here? Okay, and now we come and click on callback function. Everything's good here. The element on click function. Well, I will just try to come here and put our another title. Okay, title. This is the second title. Oh well, good. And delete this ID and call with our title name. Then come refresh the browser, click, nothing work. Mean that something is bad here. So we're gonna check it out here. This is as selector, good, index of this one, good. Okay, and document carousel selectors is as selector. Okay, good. And document, okay, carousel selector, okay, good. Everything is here is good. But the problem is that it doesn't show us where is the mistake. Why does it make it? No. So because maybe we write wrong. I don't know if I write it like that. Yeah, we write wrong. There is the reason. We write wrong the line. Now let us start. We refresh the browser and we click and we get our alert. That means that now we write good. So the next step is we're going to create this version, this and this one. So for that, it's a real example, and we're gonna put that. Okay, object prototype and the function to show. Or for the moment, we're gonna put that to hide. I can jquery function. Okay, D represent the element and the style. Okay, style. Style display no man. Display no. If I click on our element, the display. So you can also use the same function, the same condition here, and put here our condition. But instead of we use the callback function or this stuff, we don't need real that. And here we can put something like this. Okay, style. No. Yeah, style display. This is to hide, so we're gonna use none. And also here, we're gonna just copy that's the way it is, and put here, and delete that. Organize our code. Now it's good. Mean what? Mean that we can write our function. Okay, now we come here and refresh the browser. Nothing happened for the moment. We come here and we try to call our hide function. So now if I click to this element, then it's my hide, for example, this element title. You're gonna to hide some element. Okay, we put here title and then height, material height. Now up, boom, boom, boom. I click up and hide. Now you're gonna put another function to show, like jQuery, you know, like jQuery. So in order to show, you just have to copy this show function, copy like that. Okay, so instead of here call hide, we should call that just show. And then instead of here you put, now we put just block, and then the same thing is applied. Okay, now I will put a function that when I click I hide, and when I click I hide and I hide. So now I will put a function that show. Okay, for that you're gonna put here, you're gonna hide our title, the first title hide, and it will be hide. They come here, refresh the browser, and one title is hide. And when I click to some title that we have on our HTML, when C for to unclick, C function, we got that, just to show our title and show. You refresh the browser, and when I click here, it shows that how, you know, click show. So jQuery is a library to make whatever you want to know about jQuery. You can just me in the command. I will do that. For Ajax function is really simple, so to do Ajax function, and you can also make like a CSS property. You can do a lot of stuff. And thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye.